guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be baking yogurt pops with my mom.
These are the molds. How stinking cute are these? Little butterflies.
Look at my nails, guys.
Don't look at mine, they're gross. Now, do we want to go through the ingredient list?
Sure.
Mango, pineapple, and
strawberry.
so that's the fruit we're using. One for like a tropical vibe. And then to make her a little thicker than a Snicker, we're gonna do yogurt, sugar-free yogurt, and whole milk. I'm sorry.
Pet milk.
Yeah, I know. Oh, raw milk and a blender. So hopefully this works, and then we will pour the mixture in here, and then we will freeze them, and hopefully we will have some yogurt pops. Let's get started. Can you pull the blender down? Just put it right, yeah. We don't want to block our friends. Okay, we need to start liquid. Let's do,
Can I pour some?
hold on, we need to make sure this is,
I'll
let you do, you're standing there looking cute. No, I'm just kidding. You can do the mango. Let's do about like as many of the pineapples as you can. A little bit. All right, and then we'll do the most strawberry. Strawberry is the main character. She's main character energy, right?
Like,
She's the most important.
like,
Yeah, this might be yogurt.
ew.
Doesn't like the stuff on the top of the yogurt.
Scared. Can we go get noise canceling headphones?
Noise canceling headphones. 40 hours later. And mix it all up. Put the lime and the coconut and mix it all up. Are we ready for showtime? We gotta like divvy it up in these safely. So it's really thick, but that's good because it's gonna be frozen anyway. You need to spoon it all the way. Yeah, spoon it into here. Not totally full though, because we have to have enough to like set the, can you do it without making a giant mess?
I don't think that's possible.
Yeah, do you want me to do it then?
No, I want to.
Because we, you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. Want to taste the lick?
That's when you were gone.
Oh. That face was like, ooh. Did we do okay?
It was so good.
Okay, we need to actually put it in there, not in our mouth.
All right, guys, we're almost there. 2.5 more. We gotta pee. Finish. If you're wondering what my brothers are doing, they're playing the Nintendo Switch. I'm gonna eat this whole thing.
Now, these little cuties will go in the freezer for who knows how long. Probably till tomorrow. We will be back. A million hours later, we are going to show you guys, that one's yours, the final result, taste test, and we're going to rate it. Let's see, what do we have here? Ooh, look at her.
Queen.
Beauty queen. All right, you were supposed to wait for me.
Tastes like Daddy's smoothies.
I'm getting like, I feel like the texture's a little,
Taste one.
what do you rate it out of 10?
A 7. Ouch! Stop pushing me!
Want to try it, Cash? Come tell them what you think. Would you rate it?
7. 10.
A 10! All right, thanks for watching.